Hey everyone, this is our iteration planning meeting for the conversion group for digital experience for December 4th. I'm going to hand this over to Tina and we can kick things off.
Thanks. My priorities for this iteration is to add the code suggestions add-on to the pricing page. So I'll be working on the design for that. I'll be doing that pretty quickly this week so that can get into engineering before next week. I'm also gonna focus my attention on an update on our enterprise page. So we had a version of that kind of has been already circulating, but we've decided to step back and aim for a bigger, more impactful change on that page. So I'm going to be focused on that this iteration. And then I'll be supporting Trevor on all of his code suggestion efforts. So highlighting code suggestions all over the website. I think that's about it for me, going through my boards. Yeah, I'll pass it over to Nathan.
Thanks, Tina. This iteration, gonna wrap up some pricing stuff. There's just some minor like FAQ things, and then replacing, I think it's like GB to GIB and a couple things like that. I'm gonna try and get that out as soon as possible because I want to get it Friday. But anyway, GA fixes, some stuff with Google Analytics isn't working properly. There is just some small things with the blog, but I'm gonna try and distribute those among everyone. They're not that big, just little ones. There's also an issue where the docs team, I guess every month or every couple months they redo or remove a bunch of the redirects, and so we had almost 400 links that are now broken because we were referencing old URLs that are now redirects. So to try and get those patched up, most of those are coming from the blog, but I'm sure there's some coming from other places across our site. And then content scheduling with the CMS. But I think that's it for me. And then whatever pops up. I don't have it open, but I think it's Marg next.
Yep. So for this iteration, I'm going to continue work on the blog author pages, design update. I already have one more in place. I'm just addressing feedback and hopefully I can get that done today. I'm also on standby for feedback from the return of investment calculator design updates. That's also on Mar in review right now. And after that, I'm just gonna start working on a change for our site, for our marketing site, just replacing the GB for GIB. And sorry, and I'm gonna work on migrating the press kit to Contentful. And I think that's it for my iteration so far. I might just pick up other open issues as we go. But yeah, that's it for me. I'm gonna pass it over to John.
Thank you. Well, for this iteration, I'm going to work on migrations on Contentful. I'm going to migrate environmental social governance into Contentful and also integration space. I'm doing as well with Laura, Nathan, and the whole group the template in Contentful to allow us to have pages with drag and drop components. So we have some meetings and then we are going to implement that. After that, if I have some capacity, I can take more things, but I believe this is it for my iteration. I'm passing it back to Justin.
Thank you. One thing, Nathan, I want to highlight on yours, and I didn't have it open. We're working on creating an executive blog content type for the blog. And that's something that mostly will be done fully in Contentful, but just we want to try to get that kind of working in Contentful this iteration. Cool. Thank you, everyone.